Looking for the best value? Before you buy any action camera, you need to see this. It's the ultimate 2026 guide. In this video, I've picked the best action camera of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Osmo Go Chameleon. This innovative AI-driven smartphone accessory effectively serves as your own private autonomous photographer, utilizing the highly advanced Spot Vision 2.0 algorithm to track athletes across 20 different sports disciplines with pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with a premium 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, it delivers full 360-degree panoramic tracking to ensure every high-speed moment on the field is captured with professional cinematic quality for your viewers. The AI-assisted auto-editing suite greatly simplifies the process of creating exciting highlight montages, which you can then immediately live-stream to your fans or teammates in high-definition real-time. It offers highly intuitive controls via a dedicated Bluetooth remote or seamless Apple Watch integration, making complex angle adjustments and footage previews incredibly easy for solo users or professional coaches alike. When you pair this device with the optional specialized T4 tripod, you unlock professional 12-foot high perspectives that completely transform the way you record soccer matches, basketball games, and intensive martial arts training sessions for future review.
Next, we have the DJI Osmo 360. This revolutionary game-changing camera utilizes a massive 1-inch imaging sensor to capture your entire surrounding environment in breathtaking 8K resolution from every single angle simultaneously during your world trips. With 105 gigabytes of high-speed built-in storage and up to 190 minutes of continuous recording time, you never have to worry about missing a crucial moment or running out of memory mid-adventure. The included 1.2-meter invisible selfie stick allows you to film magical third-person perspectives that make your skiing or biking adventures look like they were captured by a professional drone flying overhead. It can snap incredible 120-megapixel panoramic photos with just a single tap and allows for an effortless switch to a specialized single-lens vlogging mode using the magnetic quick-release system. Featuring 4 integrated high-quality microphones for true-to-life stereo sound, this high-resolution tool is the definitive all-in-one solution for creative travelers seeking the most immersive and high-quality vacation footage available on the market today for their social media.
At number 3, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This professional-grade recording device features a revolutionary 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures incredibly crisp detail even during challenging nighttime mountain biking excursions or dimly lit indoor sporting events. Utilizing a high-efficiency 4nm processing chip, it provides advanced subject tracking to keep fast-moving athletes perfectly centered in both vertical and horizontal formats for social media sharing. The dual OLED touchscreens offer vivid color representation and highly responsive controls for the user, while the 360-degree horizon steady technology keeps every single shot remarkably level and cinematic regardless of the physical intensity of the action. You will definitely appreciate the hands-free voice control and the massive 4-hour battery life that keeps you filming through long, uninterrupted outdoor sessions without ever needing a recharge or a battery swap. This unit represents the peak of rugged reliability for those who push their equipment to the absolute limit in the most extreme environmental conditions imaginable on Earth.
Our fourth pick is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This absolute powerhouse of an action camera is built for total creative flexibility, featuring full compatibility with the newest HB series lenses for ultra-wide, macro, or cinematic anamorphic shooting styles. It sets a brand new industry standard with best-in-class 5.3K video resolution, which allows you to extract sharp 24.7 megapixel still photos directly from your favorite high-action video sequences without losing any detail. The incredible 13x slow-motion capabilities reveal intricate details that are usually invisible to the human eye, while the 4x cinematic slow-mo ensures everything looks professional and polished for your final edit. Rugged enough to survive deep mud and heavy snow, this camera is waterproof down to 33 feet and includes a water-repelling lens cover for crystal-clear images in wet conditions. The complete retail kit features a long-lasting enduro battery and specialized mounts, providing everything needed for vloggers and professional content creators to start documenting their epic journeys immediately after unboxing.
And for our final pick, the DJI Osmo Action 4. This high-performance adventure camera utilizes a large sensor to deliver stunning 4K footage that remains clear and detailed from early sunrise until the sun sets completely in the evening. Featuring 10-bit D-Log-M color performance, it captures true-to-life tones, making it the perfect choice for professional creators who need deep flexibility during the post-production color grading process. You can record immersive slow-motion shots at 120 frames per second with an ultra-wide field of view to capture every wave or mountain trail accurately and vividly. Its magnetic quick-release system allows for instant mounting changes on the go, and the rugged design ensures it operates flawlessly even in freezing temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius. With 3 advanced stabilization modes, this camera provides professional-grade stability for both beginners and seasoned athletes who need highly reliable gear for their high-intensity outdoor activities and extreme sporting events throughout the entire year. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.